What you working with? 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 Pay for this pussy. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I will be explaining how to avoid mix-up in your hairstyling business. Are you a new hairstylist and you are wondering how to avoid mistakes, mix-up, or how to avoid debt in your hairstyling business? You know, sometimes and sometimes some customers might send you more than 2 weeks, or maybe you have wigs from more than three customers or more than one customers, and you are wondering how to remember the service the customer want for each week. Making use of stapler, paper tape, and permanent marker. If you don't have permanent marker, you can use your biro, your pen, whatever that you can use to write name on the paper tape. So this is my customer's wig, and she sent it in for rewigging, revamp, and styling. So can you see? And already name it here, which is rewigging, revamp, and styling, and the name of the customer so that I won't forget. And so let me show you how to staple it to the wig. So you can staple it to the band. It's going to be this way. Sorry for using my mouth, but that's the fastest way to do it. Yeah, sorry. The tip and this part. Doing this will help you to avoid any mix up in your business, in your hair business. So, and then you can do this. Please always me, I do it before revamping my customers' wigs, so that even while washing it, I will know that okay, this is my customer's wig. Maybe there are some customers that will tell you that please gently undo my wig. I don't want it to tear, stuff like that. Please, so that while the hair is inside water, you will know, oh, this is my drama queen's customer's wig. So, and then please always make sure that you remove the paper tape before sending your customer's wig off, before packaging it and doing all this ceremony. So if you find my beautiful videos helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel, like, comment on my post. So, and please share it to others people. We live by helping others. Bye. See you guys next time. Bye.